know, they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet and you can talk to other people.
But I'm sitting reading my book, so good. I'm sitting on a bench, I'm reading my book, and I'm looking at this car. And it's not right, French. It's like, wow. And
And I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguettes. Some of them have sweetness in those, no? Or
Small coffee.
give me in one bag a multi-grain, the cranberry and a plain one. And in another bag, 2 plain ones.
that's the 24 day and can study. Okay.